Hey, I'm Tomas, co-founder and CEO at Mavity. We wanted to show you the new feature that we have, Copilot, which you can access it basically through any type of feature or page within the Mavity app, just clicking the button here on the top right, or it's already embedded within flows. So Copilot, think of it as being the brain within Mavity. It understands the assets that you've built, the brands that you have been uploading to Mavity, all the flows, the nodes that you've been using to build different workflows. So it has all the context of what you need to do in order to build the next big thing, right? So let's say I'm going to start by selecting something very simple, create a product image leak for a specific brand that I just added, which is Beats by Dr. Dre. Just hit it, enter, and then it starts going to build the most specific or best image for this particular case. Okay, so once we have that image, there's multiple things that you can do. You can start connecting with Copilot and asking additional prompts or edits. The other thing that we have built is that you can create a flow from that single image. So once you click on Create Flow, now it will automatically include this, and then you can start adding a specific brand if you want to this new flow. So let's say I go into brand. We're going to select this new brand that I added here, which is Beats by Dr. Dre. Automatically will bring all the information that I have about Beats by Dr. Dre. For example, logo, I can add specific brand colors, buyer persona, basic information. Once I have that, I'm going to connect it to a more generation of images, right? So I'm going to start adding a specific text input, and I'm going to connect it to Gemini 3 Pro. So I'm going to connect all of these separately. I'm going to add my brand nodes right here underneath, so I have everything organized. I'm going to click on generate a specific image. Perhaps it's going to be for a story, so I'm going to select 916 portrait with this connection image. So I'm going to select create a social media Instagram story for the launch of this new product. I'm going to hit 1K resolution, which is fine. Click on connect. I can furthermore use some of these specific nodes of my brand. I can toggle and use specific either logos, all the color information, which is going to use the hex codes, and it's going to extract different text about the buyer persona, basic information, or all the other additional nodes that I have here. For example, top 3 competitors, example copy, tags and slogans. These are really interesting because I can use them for a specific call to action or a graphic element that I'm going to be adding here. So let's say I really like this. I can continue to refine it if I want to, or for example, I can add this and connect it to a video node if I wanted to. I can connect something like Kling 001. I'm going to make it 916. So it follows the same exact dimension or aspect ratio. And I'm going to connect this specifically. There you have it. So we have the video that I can open it up as a preview in order to see it. And this video, of course, you can continue to refine it or give it more context if you wanted to. And yeah, that's all. Thanks.